Ultimate Golf is the latest Golf R or the Club Sport S, but people don't realise that Volkswagen came up with the Ultimate Golf way back in 1989. This, what I'm driving here, is the Ultimate Golf. Welcome to the Golf Rallye. Now, the Golf Rallye was a very special car. Volkswagen realised that to be successful in motorsport in 1986-87, they needed to produce a four-wheel drive car to compete. So look at this as Volkswagen's answer to the Lancia Integrale or the Audi Quattro. So in 1989 they built this, the Golf Rallye, and they put a supercharged four-wheel drive system in place to propel it along. That supercharged engine produced 160 brake horsepower, and that gave it a 0 to 60 time of 7.6 seconds and a top speed of 130 miles an hour. This special Golf was hand-built at the Brussels factory, and only 5,000 units were ever made, so that made it very exclusive. The car itself in question has been painstakingly restored by Resto Shack in Exeter in Devon, and they've done a fantastic job. Straight away, the moment I turned the key and jumped in this thing, it just feels so nice. It feels so exclusive being on the left-hand side, driving a left hooker, and instantly when I've been driving, people have been giving me looks in it and stares, and that's great. You know, you'd expect that from a supercar, but not a Volkswagen, and I love that. I get off on owning this if I owned it, so I get that. I could imagine that if I owned one of these and it was in my garage, that I could quite happily come down every morning, drinking my espresso, bollock naked, and just admiring the thing. Yeah, it feels so nice to drive. And I'm not even hankering it around, it is one special car. So for all those rally owners out there, you lucky gits, they are fantastic. I'm in love. I want one. Oh, I really do want one. Oh, I could be able to remortgage the house, surely, couldn't I? Oh, and it corners really nice. You can tell that I'm now in a four-wheel drive car, opposed to my old G60 edition one that I had. Yeah, you can definitely feel that, and it's. Oh my God, dear Lord, this thing's epic. Because these things were built for homologation purposes, they had a specially adapted bonnet that if you were in a front impact in the motorsport, you had this hook that would stop the bonnet from flipping up. So things like that made the Rally extra special, as well as the boxed arches. One thing I do find a faff though are these. As much as it adds to the motorsport feel, I'm not going to be in a rush anywhere quickly, because, and I'm a thin chap, but I don't know if you can see this. In fact, I'll get the camera and bring it down. But you wouldn't want to be late running to work, would you? However, in an accident, I bet they're brilliant, but so you've got to do that. Like I say, I like the fact that it adds to the motorsport feel. Put on holiday weight. However, now I do know now how my 2-year-olds felt when they were in rains, because I can't get anything from the glove compartment because I'm literally in. But yeah, so I like them, but I don't like them, if that makes sense. Right, onwards and upwards. Fuel done. But I have to say, I've been blown away by this Rally, and it's impressed me more than I thought it would do. You see, for me, it makes every bit of sense to buy one of these, because if I go out today and buy a Golf R, then I'm probably going to lose money on it, and in fact quite a little bit of money on it. So it makes every bit of sense to buy one of these, because actual fact, I don't think I'm going to lose any money at all. In fact, I'll probably gain money by buying a Golf Rallye. So from an investment point of view, they make the most sense. I think the painstaking thing that I've come to realise is that in about 20 minutes I've got to give the keys back to this car, and I'd really like to own one now. I feel that I've fallen in love with a Golf Rallye, fallen in love with owning a Golf Rallye, the thought of owning a Golf Rallye. I like the whole package about it, the fact it's left-hand drive, it's exclusive, that it's special, it feels special, I feel special being in it. So it's a hollow victory for me, this, because I know I've got to give the keys back, and I know that the opportunity to ever drive another rally is slim but none, and the fact of owning one will be even slimmer, because the prices of these things now are colossal. I've just been recently looking online, and you're looking at 20 to 25,000 to get you a half-decent rally these days, and I think that price will only go up, and they will fetch more money, because you are buying a piece of history.